Christina again from Acevacuums. Ever wondered why Chantilly and Centreville residents trust Acevacuums for Dyson repairs? Dyson Repair Store is located conveniently in Fairfax. It's a breeze to drop off and pick up your Dyson vacuum. Let's explore why this Acevacuums location is a game changer. At Acevacuums, our Dyson repair technicians are trained to handle all Dyson models. From Dyson uprights to cordless, we diagnose and resolve issues swiftly, ensuring your Dyson vacuum repair is in expert hands. Our Dyson repair expertise means no problem is too big or small. Whether it's a Dyson broken motor or clogged filters, we ensure your Dyson is back to its best in no time.
We offer comprehensive Dyson repair services, including deep cleaning, Dyson filter replacements, and Dyson battery servicing. Using only genuine Dyson parts, we maintain your Dyson vacuum's original performance.
Regular maintenance of your Dyson vacuums not only boosts performance but prolongs your Dyson's life. Trust our Dyson repair technicians to keep your Dyson vacuum running smoothly with our top-notch services. Our friendly Dyson repair experts ensures exceptional Dyson customer service, leaving you with a smile. With competitive Dyson repair pricing and transparent policies, there are no hidden fees, just honest, fair rates. To recap, Acevacuums, Dyson Repair Stores offers convenient location, expert Dyson repairs, comprehensive Dyson services, and genuine Dyson parts. By choosing Acevacuums, you'll ensure your Dyson vacuum performs at its peak. Visit Acevacuums in Fairfax today and experience the difference in quality and care. Give your Dyson the professional attention it deserves. Let's keep your home clean together.